The language row in Maharashtra, a minister worker beat up another person for not speaking Marathi. A video which has gone viral shows a man confronting an employee at a public toilet at a bus station in Nanded, alleging that the women were being charged ₹5 to use the facilities. A man asks the worker to talk in Marathi and he replies, "What will you do if I don't? What will you do?" Let me play that video for you first.
नाम बदल खुद नहीं ना, तुम्हारा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तुम पैसे ले लेना,
जाओ ना,
एक नंबर का,
जाओ नहीं,
एक नंबर के लिए पैसा ले रहे हो तुम।
यार क्या कर रहा है?
करता मैं क्या करता करता तुम।
जाओ।
तू पहले मराठी बोल,
जाओ ना।
तू पहले मराठी बोल।
क्या नहीं बोला तो क्या करेगा?
तू पहले
क्या करेगा?
हाँ ठीक है ना, क्या
क्या करेगा?
बताएंगे ना,
क्या करेगा?
बताएंगा मैं क्या करेगा।
In the next video, a minister worker visits the public toilet and one of them can be seen assaulting the Sulabh employee. As another man tries to intervene and stop them, the man slaps the worker and repeatedly asking, "Will you speak in Marathi or not? Had you said you didn't know the language and that you were learning, would we be here?" One of the men says. Let's listen in.
बोलता
मराठी येते की नाही तुला? मराठी नाही बोलता, जा बोलता
जी नहीं,
क्यों बोला फिर?
ये बात कहाँ बोले?
मराठी येते नाही?
मेहमान प्यार से अगर बोलते हैं
मी मराठी माणसाची माफी मागतो, माणसाची माफी मागतो मी। आदरणीय राजसाहेब ठाकरे यांची माफी मागतो मी, माफी मागतो। याच्यानंतर होणार नाही, पण याच्यानंतर माझ्याकडून अशी चूक होणार नाही। का मराठी शिकशील ना? शिकतो की नाही? दमादमानं शिक।
Now let me straight away go to my guests. Ajit continues to join me in this debate. Jayant Mainkar and Kishore Tiwari, political analyst, senior journalist. Ajit, first to you. I mean, this is unbelievable what is happening in Maharashtra. In a country where there are recognized 25 plus languages, hundreds of dialects, hundreds and hundreds of dialects. This sort of venom to resurrect one's own political credentials should be unacceptable. Ajit.
Absolutely, Kartikeya, I agree. This is absolutely reprehensible act, what is happening. In fact, I would argue that the whole MNS looks like a bunch of goons, and I'm shocked that someone as gentlemanly as Raj Thackeray decided to actually have a unity talks after 20 years with Raj Thackeray's MNS. It's really shocking how much, how much sort of Raj Thackeray's desperation in getting together with this force, which is not, it doesn't look like a political force to me. It looks like a bunch of criminals. Actually, it reminds me of the early days of Shiv Sena when it had started, when it would attack Tamil workers, later attack, Muslims from UP and Bihar. And they had, this entire phase had ended, but MNS has all over again began this. And coming from a city which has Bollywood, which has popularized Hindi more than any other government directive to anyone, in that city, this is happening, a city which attracts people from all over the world, not only from all over India. It's really, really shocking. And I'm also shocked at the fact that Sharad Pawar seems silent. This has been going on for some months now. And Devendra Fadnavis government should take a very strong step, arrest these kind of criminals which act in such a reprehensible manner. It's absolutely abominable, according to me, Karthik.
Okay. Now, criticizing such incidents, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis says that the government acts strictly with those who indulge in violence.
You asked me, Kartikeya?
Yes, this is the bite of Devendra Fadnavis. I am playing it for you. There's a bit of a delay because Devendra Fadnavis has criticized it. So the next question will flow from the bite.
महाराष्ट्र में मराठी भाषा का आग्रह होना ये स्वाभाविक है, ये गलत नहीं है, लेकिन भाषा के ऊपर विवाद होना, भाषा पर किसी के साथ मारपीट करना ये बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा। ऐसी घटना हुई तो हमने कड़ी कार्रवाई की है। आगे भी कोई घटना करने का प्रयास करेगा तो हम कार्रवाई